guys, it's Laura back, so I'm back with another reaction and with another kind of familiar at the same time not that familiar group, which is Nature, which I did was anticipating for their debut because I know them since pre-debut. Like I would follow them on Instagram. I think they had kind of like a were dancing in public and stuff. I'm pretty sure that was Nature, and I really enjoyed it. But I mean, I think last comeback from them, but I'm kind of scared to like if I'm mixing up groups because because it was kind of another similar group which I reacted, but I think it was them. Oopsie, my bad. Yeah, that was them. I just saw on Twitter. I like that song, but with other songs, I mean, wasn't my style, so I didn't get into them. But this one song I saw one of people do that I follow on Twitter, she put like snippet. I didn't know what the group is, and someone like commented that it's Nature and they haven't come back. I'm like, I mean, that sounded super great, and I decided to check out because from like seeing the kind of underrated group, and I mean, song is a girls. It's girls. It came out 8 hours ago, so not that long ago. We're gonna see how I like it. Maybe I'm gonna stand them because I kind of want to stand, but oopsie, my bad almost made me stand. But after some listen, I didn't enjoy that song that much. So at first I was really obsessed with the song, but quite short time. So I hope this gonna help me to stand them because I would like to some girl groups. I have CLC and Favorite and Blackpink. Like that's the main girl groups I stand. I mean, I do know and like a lot of groups, but that those three groups are main groups. Also, Blackpink's comeback coming. I'm so happy. And someone freaking texted me. Uh, someone have to text me now. Like, boy, I'm filming now. So yeah, we're gonna check out Nature. I would appreciate if you could help out with names and stuff. So screen recording and full screen. Like I didn't see any teasers, anything, so yeah, I'm gonna go like blindly, but I kind of like that. So 3 2 1, let's go. Let's see. Oh, I mean, yes. I like the beat already. I mean, okay. Okay. I love this scene. She's so gorgeous. I also love her hair color. Okay. Ooh. Oh yes. That's interesting outfits, but I think I like it. Oh, I like her hair. The voice. The voice. I like her voice a lot. Oh my god, that looks. Ooh! I love the dancing. Okay, the dancing. Ooh. I'm gonna pause, like, I mean, so far I really enjoyed the song. I love the chorus beat, and I love the vocals pre-chorus a lot. Also, I love the scenes, like, that's so beautiful and be like, with them scissors, with them kind of dolls-like thing. I like the scenes. Also, I think her voice, I really love her, like her voice, and she's super gorgeous. I don't know why. I'm for sure gonna check out lyrics because it kind of sounds sad it kind of gives feel like it's something sad. Like, oh, it's a girls. Okay, sure. I love this pre-chorus. Okay. Like they have zero emotions. Like. This is so beautiful. I mean, it's not that deep. Yes, okay. But then half splits. Oh my god, that's so trippy. Oh. I mean, I love the vibe, really. I'm like right away gonna go to see lyrics. With the X, what? Oh my god, Nature World Code M. Oh my god, that is so like. Okay, I know I'm gonna like this song. I wasn't expecting like that type of kind of concept. I mean, someone texted me stop. Like, I mean, okay, that was kind of a little bit sad, horror-ish vibe. I get, which I loved it. I love like horror type stuff. So like, I like dark themed like concepts with good song. But this song, for sure, going on my favorite playlist. Oh my god, like, I mean, I'm still thinking about like, you know, maybe I need to stand them, like, especially after this. I'm conscious of that a single, or it says album release. It should be today, which I would check out for sure. Wait a minute, it's girls. It's like an interesting concept, which I'm kind of super interested in. I mean, there's just 6 girls. It wasn't there a little bit more? I mean, I'm not sure if that's like it. Sunshine, Chadjibin Unche Sohi Sebum Haru Lu. I'm gonna for sure check out lyrics now, because I feel like this is the type of song you need to know the lyrics for sure. And I'm for sure I know, and I'm for sure I kind of just, if there's a like kind of that thing, a helpful guide for them, I would love to check out that. Because I mean, for me sometimes one good song makes me to stand group, and then like within like also like I need to check out album and more b-sides if they have, so then I will be like, yes, I'm stand them. So I really wanna like girl groups that I like. And this looks like something I would love to also. Oopsie, my bad, I think that's Oopsie. I know it was, that song is also kind of like not like kind of good song, so it's like second good song. I mean, that's like a sign that I need to stand. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be my reaction. I'm gonna go check out like lyrics and see what I like about the song, like what I think about the song. And please let me know how you feel, like if you want me to check out more of their like b-sides to react on something. So see you in the next reaction. Bye.